Good morning, everyone. So I just arrived at Boryspil, Kyiv International Airport. I was visiting Ukraine. I was visiting my family for 3 weeks, and now we just arrived at the airport from Sumy. We took a small bus, which took about 4.5 hours to get to the airport. And right now, I'm going to Doha, Qatar, and Thailand on my future travels. And now, having said that, I'll be bringing my grandfather on this trip. He has never been on the airplane before. Yeah, let's go see that. So this is my grandfather Victor. He has never been on the airplane before. He has never been to Middle East. He has never been to Southeast Asia. He's never left former Soviet Union. He's only been to Ukraine for most of his life, and he's never really been anywhere around the world. And having him next to me, traveling together, it's the biggest gift I could ask for. So he'll swim in the ocean. He has never seen the ocean. He has never smelled the ocean. So so he's gonna see everything. I'm gonna show him everything. We're gonna have a great time. We will drink. We will eat. We will laugh. We will have a great time. So I hope he's excited as I am, because I'm very excited. So to our journey with my grandfather, and my grandfather's 75 years old. So yes, let's go travel.
Yes.
all right guys. So we just checked the security at the Boryspil airport, and we are sitting next to our gate that's going to Doha. And my grandfather and I, we just ordered some food. We ordered dumplings, barbecue chicken wings, and we also ordered grilled vegetables. And he got a tea, and I got a beer. So that's the tea and that's the beer. And the name of this place that we're sitting at is called Gourmet Kitchen and Bar. Check it out. So we got about another hour or so to kill. So we're just waiting for our food and just relaxing. Дедушка, хочешь что сказать на камеру? Як у тебе настроєння?
А що мені треба сказати?
А що хочеш? Яке тебе настроєння?
Настроєння в мене польотне. Бориспіль Дока.
Okay, everyone. So we just ordered our food. We got the dumplings, the barbecue chicken, and the vegetables. Check it out. Here are the пельмени dumplings. Then we got the barbecue chicken. Then we got the grilled vegetables. And my grandfather got more dumplings. So, so we just finished eating the food. Here's our receipt that we just received, and I will show you how much it is. Да? So here I got a Heineken for 105 hryvnias. We got tea. Then we got 2 orders of dumplings. Then we got the grilled vegetables. Then we got the chicken wings, and we got another Heineken. And in total, the bill was for 140 hryvnias, which is around $38 US, and that's without the tip. So we got 2 Heinekens. I got 2 Heinekens. My grandfather got a tea, and we got 2 dumplings, grilled vegetables, and chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings. And that was all for $38, which is a great deal, especially if you're in like an international airport. You know, this is definitely a place on a budget. Eastern Europe and Kyiv, Ukraine. All right, guys. I'll see you once we board the airplane. So видите где? Okay, everybody. So this is my grandfather's first time going on the airplane for the first time in his life. This is the airplane. Qatar Airways, Airbus A330 off to Doha from Kyiv. And that's my grandfather. Скажи привет.
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 Алабашевка, привет.
Alabashruka. But that's the name of my grandfather's village. So right now we're gonna go on board the airplane right now, and that will be his first time. Alabashruka. My grandfather's village in Ukraine, where he's from. Да.
Билет показать, да?
Да. Показывай билет?
Паспорт не надо, да?
Не надо, показывай билет.
Сколько проверят, да?
Хорошо, спасибо. Hello. Thank you. All right, guys. We just walked into the airplane, heading to Doha with my grandfather. Побольше, да, иди. Камера, да. Okay, everyone. So we just boarded our airplane. My grandfather. It's his first time being on the airplane in his life. Посильнее, не бойся. Okay, everybody. So this is my grandfather's first takeoff on the airplane. Це пейзаж. Да? All right, guys. So I just got the cuisine by Qatar Airways, and I'll show you the what's on the menu right now. So here we are. Here's the appetizer: salad, chicken, beef stew, baked potatoes, bread, espresso. We got the wines. We got the gin, vodka, whiskeys, cocktails, Heineken for beer. We got liquors, Irish beer with cream, and we got cognac. Then for the cold beverages, we have Pepsi, Diet Cokes, still water. And for hot beverages, we have coffee, Ceylon black tea, and a green tea. And here's the menu. Okay, guys. So we just got our first drinks on the flight. I got myself a red wine, and my grandfather got a cognac over here. Here's a cognac, and he got a tomato juice. Tomato juice and pretzels. So we got a red wine over here. Here's the red wine. We have the pretzels, the cognac. He's very happy. He can only drink cognac, nothing else. No beer, no wine. He's drinking cognac, and then the orange juice. Ну что, Дешка, давай. Тост. Мария, давай. Alright, everybody. So I just checked into the bathroom. Here's the bathroom at Qatar Airways. Airbus A330. It's pretty small. There's the toilet seat. That's me. That's me right there. That's the sink. That's the refreshener. Smells so good.
Видно трошки? Ні.
А ну покажи, пальцем покажи. А на водку. So the food just arrived. I'm gonna show you what we just ordered. What my grandfather and we ordered. So here we have the beef stew. This is the beef stew with carrots and some green stuff. Here we have the up next we have the dessert. And this is the salt and the pepper. Короче, це соль, а це перець. Up next we have the dessert, like it's a coffee mousse cake. We have a salad here. Here's a salad. And here's a shot of this is the shot of vodka over here. Shot of vodka, and my grandfather had the same thing. And the last thing we have is the tomato juice to go with the vodka. And that's it. And and one other thing. There's the bread. Here's the bread. And this is the water that we got. So this is our lunch or dinner. Lunch. 30,000 feet above the ground. All right. Да, beef stew, salad, mousse cake, water, vodka, tomato juice as a chaser, and bread. All right, ну что, Яша, давай толкнемся. По чуть-чуть. Давай, за твое здоровье, за то, что ты приехал со мной.
Спасибо.
Очень рады.
Спасибо, Артем.
И нашим путешествием. Да. So my grandfather, very happy that he came to me with me on this trip. Everyone's very excited and they're very happy. So cheers. Давай. С Богом. С Богом. With God. Very good. Okay, let's see. Okay, everyone. So I just finished my my lunch. It was absolutely amazing. My favorite meal was the beef stew. The beef stew with carrots and onions on top. Absolutely amazing. With a shot of vodka and tomato juice. It was incredible. And my second favorite item on the menu was the was the dessert. It was like a cream coffee and a cake that my grandfather's eating right now. So check it out.
Тебе новое звучит, Артём. Да. С чаем.
Нравится?
Отлично. Окей.
Okay? Скажи incredible. Incredible.
Incredible.
My grandfather said that yeah, desserts is incredible. It really is. The food is amazing. Qatar Airways, always the best. Hey guys, so I just found myself on the empty seat. There was like 3 seats empty. I'm gonna take a little 5-minute nap, maybe like actually no, I lied. Take a 1-hour nap. I'm gonna relax a little bit and then wake up. And then get ready for landing and go back to my assigned seat where I'm supposed to sit. So I'm gonna relax for now. My grandfather just is taking off his clothes, it's getting hot. That's my grandfather. That's my grandfather. So yeah, we're just relaxing. Alright, nap time guys, nap time. Hi everyone, so I just woke up from my nap. I got myself another wine and we have about 30 more minutes until landing in Doha, Qatar. So we're almost there. My grandfather's gonna be the first time in the Middle East. Check it out. Almost in Doha. Thank you so much.
Посадка.
Okay everybody, so my grandfather and I, we just landed in Qatar, in Doha, and right now we're going to we're leaving our gate from the airplane and doing a security checkout. Flight was smooth, food was good, we enjoyed our flight, and right now we're going back to the city. All right, heading back out. What's up everybody? So we just arrived Qatar Doha. My grandfather's first time in Middle East, mine I think third time, and here we are, you know, on the escalator walking out of the airport and heading to our hotel room. So right now my battery is low, so I'm probably not gonna show you the whole trip to the hotel and like the city, but I'll try and catch as much as I can on the way to the hotel. So if the battery shuts down, that's it. But anyways, we made it. My grandfather had a successful flight. He's happy. He's so amazed about this airport. He's never seen an airport like this before in his life. Like, I mean, it's a nice airport. Anyways, so on this note, I'm close this out, and I'll try and show you guys something different.